Use CSV2QBO to convert CSV or Excel files to QBO, Web Connect, and import into QuickBooks. Start CSV2QBO Converter and open a CSV or Excel file. Review transactions before converting. Check the dates are correct, have correct year, expenses are negative, and payments to the account are positive. Set INTU.BID number to match your bank or use a default value. Set the account ID number and the account type. For multiple accounts, use a different account ID for each account. Back up your QuickBooks data file before importing. In QuickBooks, disconnect the account from online services first, if needed. To import a QBO file, select File, Utilities, Import, Web Connect, select Created QBO file, and select an existing account to import transactions. Open bank feeds and assign vendor records and expense, income accounts, and add transactions to the register.